Okay. Do you have any questions so far?
No.
Okay. Before we look at anything, I'd like to ask you just a few questions. First, what's your occupation?
I'm a student and a lifeguard.
What do you do all day?
I work at the pool. I am taking online classes and I work on my computer for a nonprofit.
What kind of mobile devices or devices do you use? Like smartphone or a tablet?
I use my laptop, I use my smartphone, and I use my iPad.
What kind of things do you spend time doing on your mobile devices?
In my free time or during like work stuff.
Anytime.
Um, I have to watch lectures, I have to take notes for class, quizzes. When I'm not doing schoolwork, I like to watch YouTube and TikTok.
Do you have any favorite mobile apps?
Um, I like social media because I like talking to my friends.
Okay, great. We're now done with questions and we can start looking at things. So first, I'm going to ask you to just click open to here.
Word?
Yes. And then you're going to click into there, the introduction module.
Is it filming the whole thing or just this box?
I think what's on the screen.
I'm just gonna put it here just in case.
Okay. Now, before you do anything, just look at the very first screen and tell me what you make of it. Just look at that whole first page and just read it and think out loud for me. Tell me what you make of it, what strikes you about it, what do you think you can do with it, and what's it for? And just look around and do a little narrative. You can scroll down to the end of that page, but don't click or tap on anything yet. Don't go to the next.
Just the title page?
Just the title page. Okay.
6 weeks synchronous,
Graham,
30%.
I'm recording. You keep it down.
I feel like it should be week 6. Online course on how to set up your own dental hygiene clinic. Is the graphic supposed to represent something or is it just for aesthetic? Because I'm not sure what the graphic is. 1 hour Zoom class per week, 6 in total. Instructor. I feel like this top part doesn't need to be so big, but it's pretty clear. I understand. I like that it tells me the worth of my assignment, so I know how much is riding on this one assignment. And yeah, it was pretty useful information. 6 in total. I think sometimes it's easy to forget syllabus, so if a title page reminds you, it's good. And I like the bold title.
I'm recording, Nick. Okay. All right. So if you go to the next area, before you do that, I'm going to, obviously this is not the online platform.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just a Word document and I put in where the Google would be, where the button would be. You'll see what comes out.
Yeah.
So you'll see a little black button, and basically by clicking on that, you'll see what's next.
Yeah.
Okay, and then okay, so I'm gonna let you go ahead and just again describe what you see and look at the videos, the chats from the instructor, and just make comments as you do that. Okay, and then when it takes you out to the YouTube, you'll have to go back in, find your way back in.
What am I clicking?
So it starts here. You'll be clicking this
So this
button.
will take me to the Word document.
This will take you to this. Okay, so when you press this, you will only see what's in blue. You only see what's in blue.
Okay.
Okay, and then once you click that, this will come up.
Okay.
Okay, so you go ahead and do that, and then just describe. You could read it out loud. You can comment on what has been written there.
Okay.
So I'm just going to ask you to do these tasks without using search or anything else. We'll just go through it consecutively.
Mm-hmm.
And just as much as possible, it will help us if you can just try to think out loud as you go along. Okay, go ahead.
Classroom agreement. We strive to create a universally accessible and supported online learning environment that respects privacy and encourages respectful dialogue/discussion. This classroom agreement aims to support a positive and effective online learning environment for instructors and students for online live sessions, regardless of sessions being recorded or not. Classroom agreement between students and instructors. Is that a title or a sentence? This. I feel like that would be a new line. To support, like it wouldn't be read as a pair. To support a rich learning environment, students and instructors recordings must yield to privacy and confidentiality. No recording without permission of all involved. Let's see. I feel like this part needs to be separate. I feel like it can't be one paragraph. And I don't think people always read everything, so I feel like when you separate it, it looks smaller and more likely to be read. Alright, welcome Word document. Welcome to how to set is that a typo? I suppose.
Why don't you make comments?
How to set up your own dental hygiene clinic. This course will help you realize the incredible challenges and issues of owning and operating your own dental clinic. This course deals with... This course... Is that supposed to follow something, or is the following paragraph supposed to precede this statement? Because I feel like that's not very clear.
Why don't you make comments about that?
That's my comment.
Okay.
I'm both. I'm talking to you through the recording. This course provides the knowledge and skills needed to design and implement a comprehensive strategy for obtaining information that can be used to inform dental hygienists about the plans needed to guide them to successful completion. About the plans needed to guide them to successful completion. I feel like this part, while I understand what it's saying, I feel like it could be worded differently. Comes out kind of weird. This course will enable you to plan, construct. This course will enable you to plan, construct, use a vision. Is this part? Is there supposed to be a comma in there? This course will enable you to plan, construct, and use vision for your dental hygiene clinic. I feel like there's a lot of this course. There's 4 of them, and I can see them in a row. Okay. This course will help you build a business plan, a marketing and communication plan, as well as how to generate a management plan for your clinic. I feel like that sentence is kind of weird as well. I feel like this course will help you build a business, marketing, and communication plan, as well as teach you how to generate a management plan for your clinic, or help you generate. This course will help you build a business, marketing, and communication plan, and generate a management plan for your clinic. I feel like that would be more streamlined. The course will also include how to make an oral presentation for delineating how your clinic will be designed and implemented. While I think I like the information that it provides, I feel like that's very clear. Like, I pretty much know exactly what I'm in what's supposed to come up, but I feel like it just needs to be worded differently because it's not very streamlined to read. My name is Linda Kilpatrick, and I will be your guide over the next 5 modules. I have the desire and passion to help you succeed in your dreams of entrepreneurship. If you have any questions, please contact me. Contact you where? You will receive a helpful resource within just a few hours. I will provide audio feedback for each assignment. I'm sure you'll enjoy the learning experience. I look forward to supporting you as you venture into the challenges of business ownership. I don't know if it's more or less professional, but sometimes I like when there's pictures. I feel like that's very interesting. And yeah, just contact you where? Through the module, email. Yeah. And I don't know if there's like office hours for these types of things. Yes. Do I continue?
Okay, yes, please do. Now, when you see this, this is basically my script for this. So you don't have to read this.
So
You just,
this?
yeah. So when you see this, it's a video. Now, I think you have to highlight and then say go to the link.
I don't know how Word works.
Yeah.
Control
And click
plus. That didn't work. Wasn't that?
and yeah, click that. See that? Click that.
No.
I don't know. Or highlight that and put it here maybe. Oh, there.
Open hyperlink. There we go.
Okay, good.
Got it. Hi. I feel like there could be a title in the side or something. Yeah, it was good. I liked the clarity in which this speaker was speaking. I feel like things like saying like, oh, it's a dynamic course. I feel like, yes, it could be put in there, but it's not necessarily necessary. But in that intro, I do feel like I learned all the information I would need to know prior to entering the course.
Okay. Oh, you can.
Okay.
Yeah.